Everybody.
I am a liar.
Yeah, I know. Hey there, everybody. You know who I am. I'm not even gonna go through this. I'm just gonna explain, what happened last night. So, hey there, everybody. What are you doing here? I don't know. I'm being carried by an idiot. Oh, you're calling me an idiot now. Yeah, man. What are we doing in here? I don't know. Yeah, look up. Look up. Look at all this remaining snow. You see? Hey, look at the blue sky. It's so blue that I can't even explain it. Oh, okay. We get the point, man. Okay. What do we? Can you quit acting dumb? You don't tell me what to do. Can you get that camera out of my face? I'm not even holding it. Right hand is. No, you are. No, you are. Ugh. Hey, calm down. Calm down. All right. Let's just all calm down here. All right. So, yeah, I'm just gonna tell you guys what happened last night. So it was snowing, as you know, but unfortunately there wasn't any thunder or lightning in the process, was it? Yeah. So here's the aftermath. See, look at all that snow out there. Yeah, we had to shovel it. Well, me and my family members. See, the reason why I didn't really get filmed last night, I just filmed a little bit of the snow when it was still snowing last night. I just filmed a little bit of it. Then someone came down, then ruined it for me. So I'm gonna put that up, but just to let you guys know. Hey, look at those icicles up there, bro. Can you get the camera on me? Well, I just want to see. I just want to show everybody the icicles. See? Yeah, it was that cold. Yeah, it was that cold, Bowser. All right. See all those trees up there? Can you please just get focusing on me? Why should I? Well, I don't know. I'm trying to explain it the other day that you're just being stupid. Just, come on. Did you call me stupid, bro? I guess I did. Look, there's the planets. Please, focus in on me. I'm not the one holding the camera, though. Well, it looks like you are. Get out of my face. Oh, so now you're gonna threaten me? Well, before we get into a big fight, I just wanted to say that, there wasn't any thunder snow, in here. I thought there was, but it wasn't too bad. The blizzard wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be. So, yeah. Look at it. See, it's melting a little bit, too. See all that white stuff down here? It's driving me crazy. Okay. What was that strange noise? I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so there wasn't too much thunder snow, really. You're expected to have a guest. Wait, what? You heard me. You think we should go outside? No. Well, anyways, yeah, we're just explaining the aftermath of the snowstorm that we had last night. It was crazy, man. Yeah, wait, what are you doing? You're expected to have a guest, didn't I just not say that? Wait, what? So we just gotta wait, so we have to wait up here? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Wait, really? Oh, this is gonna be cool. No, it's not gonna be cool. Alright, can you stop making that noise, or people are gonna think we're crazy. People already think we're crazy. Oh, whatever. So anyways, I'll be right back. Wait, really? Yes, alright. Who are you? What the? Who was that? Who said that? What do you mean? I'm over here. Wait, Mr. Strong, what are you doing here? I don't know. What are you doing here? Well, no, I asked you first. It was crazy out last night, wasn't it? See all that snow? You see it? It was crazy. Wait, what is going on here? I don't know, but... Hey, what'd you do that for, man? No, no. Okay, let's not get too physical. You stay out of it. Hey, don't hurt me. Hey, get off of me! Stop! What do you think you're doing? Huh? What are you? Oh, so now you want to get tough with me? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you want to get tough? Oh yeah, do you want to get tough? Oh yeah, I know. Okay. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna stop the video now. So it wasn't really too bad last night, you know. And I'm tougher than you. No, I'm tougher than you. Can you just get out of here, alright? Jeez, you don't need to be mean. Or does he? Alright, you need to stop talking. You need to... Okay, you know what? We're just gonna start the video now before some other idiot comes in. So I hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, favorite. I guess that's it, isn't it? Not quite. Oh my god. Wait, what? Who are you? Who am I? Who am I? You owe me money. Wait, what? Yeah, you heard me. Where's my money? I don't have any money. What do you mean? You owe me money. Where is it? I don't even know what you're talking about. Hey, come on, man. Let's not get physical, okay? You owe me money. Now, where is it? I don't have any money. All right, now please get out of here before I kick your... Okay, that's it. You have gotten... You're gonna give me your money, or else I'm gonna beat you up. I guess we're gonna start the video now before this is some weird strange guy. You like, subscribe here. I always know the video. Yeah, goodbye. He owes me money. No, no, goodbye, people. No, turn up. Help me! Somebody! Help! Hey, what's going on in here? I don't... What do you idiots want? Seriously, we want to go revenge on you. Hey, what's up? Goodbye. Yeah. Stay healthy, everybody. Nobody cares about that. Oh yeah. Well, nobody cares about you. Oh yeah. Goodbye.